Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get orange oxygen tank in Fisch. Swim to the Eastern Reef wreck, stay low, and scan for an orange shimmer on the hull. Clear or avoid predators before opening the crate and be ready to surface quickly. Use a small detour route that keeps you in cover and conserves oxygen while returning to base with the tank secured. Gather rebreather gear and a secondary oxygen bottle before diving to the Eastern wreck site to extend your underwater time. Pack a bright handheld light and a quiet pry tool for opening crates without creating noise that draws predators. Dress for mobility and keep stamina boosts ready, so you can safely navigate back to the surface with the orange tank and avoid emergency resurfacing that wastes time and resources. Approach the glowing crate from the flanks, staying low and using cover to reduce encounters with predators. Open the crate swiftly, secure the orange oxygen tank with both hands, and verify it is intact before moving. Follow a pre-planned exit route that avoids high predator zones and ascend using safe intervals to preserve your remaining oxygen and reach a secure area where you can store the tank without rushing or risk.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.